Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices are ready. Open Settings and enable Nearby Share right now. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location. These let devices discover each other and transfer data quickly. Make sure screens stay unlocked and the phone won't sleep, otherwise discovery stops. Set visibility to Contacts, Everyone, or Custom so the receiving device can accept. Once done, locate the photo, file, or link you want to send and tap Share. Choose Nearby Share from the menu. Now you start the actual connection. After selecting Share Nearby Share, your device becomes discoverable to nearby phones. On the receiving device, watch for the incoming prompt and confirm the shown device name and preview. This prevents sending to the wrong person. You can pick transfer mode. Standard uses Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for speed, while data only forces mobile data. Choose based on your network. Once the receiver taps Accept, the devices negotiate a secure connection and prepare the file transfer. Finish by monitoring the transfer progress. Keep both devices within a few feet and avoid locking the screens. When the bar hits 100%, the receiver gets a notification and the file appears in Downloads or the related app. If the transfer stalls or fails, try toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, set visibility to everyone, or reboot one device. That clears many discovery glitches. If problems persist, resend the file after verifying both devices run compatible software and have Nearby Share enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.